Amber Heard faces jail? Fabricating evidence is not only really serious, but also really offensive to the justice system, says legal Hollywood charming actress Amber Heard could face jail over claims she edited injury photos at Johnny Depp trial, according to a legal expert. Aaron Mink, a defamation lawyer, told Joe that a few days ago he didn't think there was any chance Heard could face prosecution for anything she had said on the stand during her ex-husband, Johnny Depp's, defamation. But, after the case proceeded towards its conclusion Friday, he changed his mind. I think that, as this case goes on, and we start seeing more and more objective evidence that she is lying about things under oath, that's when it starts crossing the line into the possibility that she is fabricating evidence, fabricating photos, fabricating bruises, altering evidence and then submitting it, the legal Brian Neumeister, a digital forensic expert, was questioned by Depp's lawyers about the authenticity of photos that appear to show the Aquaman actor with bruises. Much of Heard's case has focused on claims she was physically and sexually abused by Depp, who is suing her for $50 million for a 2018 op-ed she wrote which he believes infers that he abused. Heard is countersuing for $100 million. The metadata expert told the jury at Fairfax County Courthouse in Virginia that there was no way for any forensic expert to validate any of these. When asked whether any photograph in the case was intentionally modified by Ms. Heard, Neumeister said, "I'm just stating the fact that photographs were modified." Speaking about one photo in particular, the first photo of Heard's alleged injuries shown to the court, Neumeister said there are many versions of this photo. Dozens of different versions, some with different file sizes, different physical sizes, and some had been through photo editing software. The court was shown 3 different versions of the photo. All 3 of these photos had to go through some type of transformation to change sizes, Neumeister. Mink said fabricating evidence is not only really serious, but also really offensive to the justice system. I would hope that prosecutors would take a close look at it, because if there is very clear evidence that she did that, that should certainly be considered, Mink said. Mink added, if it was proven that that was the case, and there's certainly some questions being raised in the trial currently, that could potentially lead to a criminal prosecution and jail time. Legal experts have previously suggested Heard could face a police probe for perjury, after she admitted to not honoring a pledge to donate $3.5 million from her divorce settlement went to charity, despite telling the High Court she had. Heather McDonald says Johnny Depp, Amber Heard trial is focused on power dynamic. Stand-up comedian Heather McDonald recently weighed in on the bombshell lawsuit. Stand-up comedian Heather McDonald, who also hosts the Juicy Scoop podcast, recently weighed in on the bombshell lawsuit of Johnny Depp and according to OK, McDonald said, "I think the biggest thing is, they were absolutely awful for each other. At the same time, he fell for a girl that was young, beautiful, manipulative, as they both appeared overly affectionate toward each other. When it started to get ugly, they both seemed to have had a very ugly side," she noted. Weighing in on the ongoing lawsuit, the Chelsea Lately alum said, "The focus should be on the power dynamic of what such a richer, older, more established, powerful Hollywood person that he was over her." There, the public, just thinking, did she lie? Was Johnny Depp just a fun drunk? Did he hit her? There's also just too much evidence to say that she's a weirdo and she's lying, she continued. I think when the jury actually goes into the room to deliberate, they're really gonna have to focus on, was this defamation and should either of them be granted any money for it, she told the outlet.